Hi guys, it's Nikki again. This video is from my best friend Cassidy and my friend, and it's going to quite review and showing you the love. And I'm really sick of it, so let me do something. Yeah, this is for her, and I was going to hack that in for a minute. She's so pretty. Like, she's gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh. And, you know, she's so pretty. I love her hair. She's always so pretty. Yeah, she's so pretty. If you like this video, give it a shout out. Sorry, my voice is kind of screwed up. So I'm thinking, episode T. Ah, okay, fine. She's on. Thank you.